Hello, and welcome to Model Motor Mania. I'm Sergio, a passionate collector and enthusiast of scale replicas, and today I'm excited to present an incredible 1/18 scale piece that's sure to capture your attention. In this edition, we'll be exploring the replica of the BMW Isetta, a charming and iconic microcar that transformed urban mobility in the 1950s. This miniature beautifully reproduces the unique bubble shape and front-opening door that made the Isetta a true symbol of innovation and efficiency. For collectors and vintage car enthusiasts, this is an essential piece for any collection. Now, a message for reflection. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118-24. This verse from Psalms 118-24 reminds us to appreciate each day, just as the BMW Isetta reminds us of a simpler, more joyful era in automotive history. And you, what's your favorite 1/18 scale replica? Tell us in the comments, we'd love to know. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more amazing content like this. See you in the next Model Motor Mania with more fascinating replicas and inspiring stories.